Hello everyone, welcome back to MakeMoneyBlueprints.com with your host Billy. If you're new here, in this channel we focus on giving you business ideas for you to try and start. Okay, for today, ways to earn money by being an artist. So, did you ever want to earn some money by doing something fun, such as being an artist? Well, it's possible to do so via following a few simple methods that I have in this video for you. Method number 1, selling paintings and copies of your original work online. There's a few platforms that allow you to sell these products online are Etsy. Etsy started in 2005. Etsy is a huge internet marketplace for all kinds of products. A lot of folks go there looking for artworks and other collectibles. So it's a great place for artists to get noticed. Second, Fine Arts America. This website blends a kind of traditional gallery style with print-on items. Artists can sell their original artworks along selling it on items like shirts, hats, or phone case. Third one is Saatchi Arts. Saatchi Art exposes your work to millions of its members. It combines an art gallery with an internet marketplace that is accessible worldwide. Fourth, Amazon Handmade. This is a marketplace where a lot of things can be sold, such as your picture, drawing, fine arts, and painting. However, they do charge a fee if you make a sale. Number 5, Shopify. To sell your artwork here, you must subscribe to their website hosting service. Then you merely design your storefront, create payment methods via e-commerce, and advertise your business to your audience. Number 6, ArtFire. One more internet marketplace for selling handmade creation. It has millions of shoppers visiting it every day. You just have to pay a listing fee and purchase one of their seller packages. Number 7, uGallery. uGallery is for a higher end artwork. All of the artists on it have been handpicked as well as screened, so you know they are professionals. If interested, you can apply via this application under the link that I'll put in the description. If chosen, you will be able to give them half of your earning, so your art price will be more expensive. Will have to be more expensive. Number 8, Art2Arts. This site run by other artists and have over 800 artists enrolled, and you can become part of it too. So those above are the 8 ways that you can sell your painting online. Now we'll be going to the second part, which is sell your artwork at an art exhibition. Selling your artwork this way considered to be prestige, and if you manage to join one, you can make a pretty good income. You likely need connections or an agent to get your work shown in this fashion. It takes hard works, but it's worth it in the end. So get busy networking and go to art exhibition and talk to people to help you get started. Number 3, painting some commissioned artwork. This has always been popular in the art world. A lot of folks want a portrait of themselves or their family. Prices vary tremendously based on the work involved. Another method of getting a job via this methods is by doing smaller projects like a greeting card or holiday plaques via sites like DeviantArt, or you can post on Fiverr and Upworks. Number 4, give workshops and provide art lessons. Have some fun giving workshops to either adults or kids. It may be hard to get started at first, plus you need to make an initial investment for your supplies as well as budget things like renting place or like renting a place to give lessons. However, how much you make pretty much depend on the course that you charge and how much your expenses will run. Number 5, offering online art classes for others. You can also offer drawing classes online as long as you have all the proper gear for doing so. You need to make a video of yourself doing the class and make sure they're high quality. Well, the quality part, you don't have to, do it too high. Just do it a good quality because you need more content than quality at first. Make sure you have an MVP and have it out in the market for testing. But then you also need to advertise your classes, which also takes initial investments. Some of these sites allow you to host your class include Learn Worlds, Teachable, Udemy. These charge monthly fees. Since these platforms already have, they act as like a search engine, they're a marketplace. So what you will need to know is SEO, is how you fix your title. Let's say you go to Ahrefs and you figure out that, okay, how to draw a cat seem to have 100K visited a month. So comparing to how to draw a hot dog, which only have 8,000 visitors a month, 1,000 clicks a month. So it's best for you to teach people on how to draw a dog. You get what I'm saying? With this, you will get exposure to a bigger market with the same amount of work. Okay, so number 6, put your videos on social media sites. Another option for social media sites such as YouTube or TikToks. On YouTube, if your content is popular enough, you can also earn cash via your user as long as you have more than 1,000 followers. We call this YouTube monetizations. Alongside with that, with YouTube monetization, you can also sign up for other affiliates networks like Amazon, where you can sell art brushes, art paper, and link them in the descriptions. And if people like the brush you use, they will use the link and you get a commission out of that. Number 7, be a social media influencer. Sites like Instagram work well if you have a lot of followers already. You can do things like become a brand ambassador for products that relate to your artwork. This could be tips on how to paint or create artwork, as well as showing yourself going through an art gallery. Anything that makes your follower want to keep following your post. Be a freelance illustrator. For this, you must find a book publisher or other source and send them info on yourself and try to get them to choose you to illustrate their books. You can put in your portfolio up on freelance websites and hope to get chosen, such as Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, to bid for jobs such as advertise your service. Number 9, write a guide on how to draw. Create your own book of art tips like how to draw and put it together, a full book of your own drawing and painting or photos. Then you can sell it via Kindle on Amazon. Number 10, design pattern for fabrics. On Pattern Bank is a site where you can sell your design or illustration. They can be either non-commercial or commercial usage. If a buyer get 100% ownership of your design, you get paid a one-time fee. But if it's sold under a non-exclusive section, you get half of the commission for every item sold. Number 11, sell stock photos. On Shutterstock, it's a popular website for selling stock photos. If your work is good quality, you can make some great passive income via uploading them on Shutterstock. Fine-tune your SEO keyword on the title and watch them sell passively. Number 12, sell illustration or souvenirs. Artwork can be digitalized and sold via social media, or you can print them via a high-quality printer onto a fancy paper and frame it so you can sell the printed version. You need an initial purchase of the item and supply you need, but after that, you can determine how much you charge and make back and more. Sites to check out include Society6, Fire Alarm, and Redbubble. Number 13, doing a live stream for money. You can also use platforms such as Vimeo, and other social media platforms to do a live stream, workshop, or a class. Number 14, doing consultation for people online. This can be done via Zoom or other services. You can use your art knowledge to help others. Number 15, draw artwork for games. Games are a big deal these days, and many folks love to play online games. As an artist, you can do the artwork for popular video games. Go to ArtStation, create a portfolio, and you might be seen by major gaming networks like Ubisoft or Blizzard, or the upcoming trend, Web3 crypto gaming. Number 16, meet and join in with other artists. Get yourself involved in other artists and hold exhibition with all your work. You can advertise it on social media, then you can show it off to the community and make some cash by selling the work. Make sure you go to a Facebook group and join all the art group that's in your niche and connect with others. Number 17, street vending your work. Get permission from your local community or at least a major tourist area or a busy outdoor place like craft fair. Make sure you are following the rules and you could attract a lot of business and advertise your work. You can draw as you go, like drawing people, or bring already created artwork to sell. Number 18, one of my top favorite, start a blog. Blogs are more popular and you can start one for free, at least with sites like WordPress or Wix. Then you can host your blog at Bluehost. Post your work along with tips on how-to article and other tutorial. Monetize the blog via ads and promote relevant products. Consider checking out places like Creative Bugs, Blick, Creative Market, and Amazon for the affiliate programs. Number 19, compete in an art contest. You never know, you might win unless you try. Find art contests online via Google and read all the directions. Some require an entry fees, but some are free. Number 20, sell your artwork as a festival or an art fair. Find out where your local festival, art fair, or other events are occurring and if they allow vendors. Many folks love to browse these events and you are bound to sell some of your work. All in all, it could be hard getting started making money as an artist, but if you keep up and improve your work, eventually you are sure to get noticed and will be selling your works to others. Those are my big 20 tips on how to make money being an artist. artist. All the notes in this video, I'll leave in the link at the description. You can always go down there and check out and view through the recommendations that we have inside the blog. Once again, thank you for staying to the end of the video. This is Billy from MakeMoneyBlueprints.com. See you on our next video. Bye-bye.